Good morning. How's everybody? I bet y'all could never guess where we are at today.
We are at Lowe's. We're gonna be buying our lights and decor for the outside of the house. I've got that inside, all beautiful as you know. So now then, Mike is stepping in for the outside.
That's all I got. Just a smile. It's morning and I'm not awake yet, but it's gonna be good.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun. But we just figured you would never guess we would be at Lowe's because we very seldom ever go there.
No, never. All right, let's go find some pretty Christmas decor. Wait for me. We're really on the lookout for lights more than anything, and possibly a wreath or two. It just depends. I know we're gonna need quite a few lights to do what we wanna do, so yikes, we may just have to stick with lights for now. So we got a few Christmas lights. This should be a lot of fun. Are you excited to hang these?
Huh?
Are you excited to hang these? So we're just gonna give one a try for now, and then tomorrow we will. Tomorrow.
Right after I get my sermon done.
Right after Mike's finished with office work, we will come out and hang more. Okay, so we were just able to do one strand today, I told you, but look how pretty it's gonna look. It's hard to see it because of the beautiful sunset, but I want to show you really quickly because tomorrow we are gonna get her done. So it is another beautiful day, so I'm gonna come out and take down all my fall decor. Unfortunately, I'm just gonna be sticking the pumpkins back at the back of the property, and maybe next year we'll have a little pumpkin patch of volunteer pumpkins. But they're still perfectly good, but the deer and whatever other animals can have at it. So I'm just gonna load all these up and take them back there. So this was my one wee little pumpkin that grew volunteer on the side of the stable this year. So next year, hopefully we will have tons and tons. Okay, this seriously makes me sad, but they did serve their purpose well. And like I said, just gonna take them to the back of the property where we've dumped a bunch of manure, and I'm gonna try like bust them up. I also may see if our neighbors want some to feed their chickens. So that was a lot of fun. If anyone was watching from a distance, they might think that I was a little bit angry. Pretty cool way to take it out. Once I got those pumpkins thrown out and all the fall decor down, it was time to pull out the Christmas decorations. I got this little tree wreath garland set last year, last minute. You know, last year was our first Christmas here at the farm, so I just really wanted the porch to be pretty. I'm using bricks to hold things in place this year because last year the wind constantly knocked my trees over and I would just go set them back up, and it just was so much of a pain. So figuring things out this year little by little. She's like, not sure about this. Hey, what you doing? Okay, so here's where I'm at. Still a lot to do, but I've got to go get my oil changed. I got that all up. I've got to find something to cover up the bases and do something over here. But I just wanted to show you that really quickly. It's going to be really cutesy when I am all done. All right, so while out getting my oil changed, I stopped off at Walmart and got a couple of these little table topper trees that light up. And so I needed to put them in these really pretty pots that I have. And so here's my solution. We had these little stumps. Well, we used them for table centerpieces at Curry and Braden's wedding, and we've still got them. So I am zip tying these trees to the tops of these stumps so that they don't fall over on me. And then I set them down in the pot. The perfect solution. And look at that. I still, oh, it popped out right there. I still need to cover the bottoms of them, but just wanted to show you that really quickly. I've got to get my welcome sign situated too. And now that I'm just using one of these white plastic tablecloths from the dollar store, I already had it, so that was perfect. I'm just stuffing it down and around the bricks to hide all of those. All right, so here is where I'm leaving it today. I got my trees situated, got my welcome sign fixed. Let me show y'all my little hackety hack. Okay, so I got this dollar store welcome sign. I got it before Halloween. It was the only plain Jane one they've had. And I know I can make one, but guys, this was, I think $5. And I screwed it to a piece of wood to make it taller and more secure so it won't like warp and bend. Yeah, my screws are sticking out at the back because I couldn't find shorter ones. And it doesn't really get wet up under here. So I think it's gonna last and work just fine, even if it's just for this one season or whatever. But sorry for that movement. But anyways, I think that's pretty cool. Okay, about my wagon. I think the only solution for the wagon is maybe some of those fake Christmas presents that light up, or I could just wrap some boxes and stick out here in the wagon. I think that'd be really cute. Oh, my windows are incredibly dirty. I need to wash those. My wreath is a little skimpy, but it'll work. And then there's those. So tomorrow, it didn't happen today. We did not get to put our lights up today. Mike had so much to do in the office, but out there is where we started along the top of the fence, and then we're gonna go all the way down our fence and over that side and on this stable, and I cannot wait. All right, it's a new day and Mike is still super swamped in the office with work. So I came out super early this morning and y'all, it is cold. My hands and feet are literally freezing. So I'll probably take a break here in a bit and then wait for him to come out and help me a little bit later on. And now here he is. He came out, he is gonna tackle the stable while I finish up the front of the house. So I think it was about a week or so ago, I told you guys that Curry and I have a fun vendor event coming up. And it's actually right here at the farm. I have got so many tumblers made. I had a whole bunch of crosses made, but all of a sudden they started selling on Etsy. And so I'm like having to replenish my stock for this event. And then I've got tea towels and these little cosmetic pouches and jewelry, lots of jewelry, and just lots of fun things. Curry's going to be providing aesthetic services. I think I told you that, but that is happening on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of this next week. So this is Saturday that you're watching. So the following Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, which would be 11th, 12th, and 13th, I believe, will be our event. So if you're local and you would like to come out to the farm and shop or just come see us, please do so. Reach out to me and message me and I can give you better details. So yeah, it'll be lots of fun. But today, again, I'm out replenishing my stock. I'm making more crosses. Someone recently asked if Mike and our boys still use the golf green, and they do. The boys not as much lately, but Mike does go out there pretty often and hit the ball around.
It's on the green.
He has a lot of fun going out there and playing, and I was just sitting there making crosses and watching the clouds roll by. It's really beautiful out today. It's one of the prettiest days we've had in a while, so I was definitely taking this all in. How was your golf?
That's got a hole in one. 22 inches.
Hey guys, here it is, another Friday.
Yes, another week flew by.
Wow, can you believe? I mean, I know last week was December, but this is already the second Friday in December. It's just going by so quickly. It's unreal.
Yeah, because we did our Thanksgiving last week, and now then we're looking forward to Christmas.
Yeah, it'll be good stuff. And speaking of, one of the things I'm going to do for Christmas is make the jam tarts and the sausage rolls again. And so we're thinking tomorrow we'll just do a better video with a little bit more talking and explain what has to happen and why it happens. Some of you guys are way more smarter about all that kind of stuff than I am, but at least you'll have the recipe. I'll take a picture of it. I'll show you how I did it and how I rolled it out, and then what made them so good was just, I guess, that pastry. I mean, it's an age-old recipe, and it may be one that everybody else knows, but I just know my grandmother, my great-grandmother's recipe from what my mom was telling me. So that's pretty cool. And so anyway, we'll do that tomorrow.
And there were enough of you that requested it, because we mentioned that we were going to just have the recipe out there. And then I didn't drop it for that very reason, because then we talked about, we should just do a video strictly on kind of holiday baking and feature the jam tarts and sausage rolls. So yeah, that'll be something for you guys to look forward to midweek next week.
And there are, here in Tulsa, there's a place called the White Lion, and it is an English pub/restaurant. And the guy that runs that is from obviously England, outside of Liverpool. And it's a wonderful place to eat. And we had sausage rolls there, and our friends Kelly and Rhonda ate with us. And so they're excited about the sausage rolls and the jam tarts that are coming as well. So
yeah, because they're going to get some of those. This week was basically just Christmas decor, taking down fall outside and then decorating the outside for Christmas. Mike, I was really surprised and shocked a little bit. He is the one that really wanted to put up the lights this year, and I was pretty pumped about that. At our last house, we couldn't put up lights really. I mean, we could, but we had so many trees, and it just wasn't.
It just wasn't. Never felt right. This feels good.
Now our son Hunter really used to get into Christmas and put up the blow ups and everything, but then I think one of the neighbor's dogs got into our blow ups and tore them up and stuff, and that was kind of a downer. But now then we have the great fence and a straight part across the front of our house, and
come Salem.
So it looks really pretty, and I'll show you that here in just a little bit. I'm waiting for the sun to go down.
Ooh, beautiful, beautiful. You have to take pictures of. We've got some great clouds, and it's just beautiful. And I know Karen was making some crosses. We're sitting here right by that. She's showing you how to make those, and she's got this really cool show coming up next week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And so if you're close by and want to come see the farm, if she's inside doing her show stuff with her jewelry and her tumblers and everything else that she does, then I can give you a tour of the farm if I'm around. Hopefully, I should be. But
that'll be a lot of fun.
It'll be good stuff. And other than that, I think that's pretty much all we've done this week. So
pretty much.
I guess we'll say goodbye.
Yeah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and come shop with us this coming week.
Yeah, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. God bless.
Just wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse of the sunset we were just talking about. It is beautiful. The clouds are changing color second by second. All right, so all the lights are up and running. Our neighbors go all out with blow-ups and do a lot of fun things over there. You can see our very straight fence line, and then the stable. It's so cute. I would like to do a whole lot more over there, but maybe next year we'll just add on each year. And then here's the house and all that we did on the front porch, but I think it is super cute. No, we don't think we have the most amazing lights ever, but it's just, part of what you're seeing us do. So just thought I would share. If this is your first time catching our vlog, we would love for you to click on the Flipping the Farm playlist that you see here on the screen and get caught up. I hope you guys have a super blessed, amazing week.